Hello, this is Sarah. How are you guys? I'm from Crafty Aussie Adventures, and today is Thursday, the 21st of May, and today we've had a rainy day. It's been raining steady all day. It's a little bit cooler than normal, and I've got some happy mail to show you, long awaited from China. I got a diamond painting, and I got a 60 storage case box. I got the storage case box from AliExpress, and I got the diamond painting from 5D Diamond Painting, and it's called Wolf's Nature. It's a square drill, 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. I ordered it on the 29th of February, and it came last week on the 13th, on the Wednesday, 5 days ago. So it's taken quite a while to get here. So it's for February, March, April, May. So probably about 2.5 months, nearly 3. It's because of the coronavirus situation. So all good as long as it gets here. So I'm going to show you Wolf Nature. They've even got a picture on it, and they tell you what size it is. So we're going to open this one up. Have a look. Let's have a look. Wow. I thought I ordered a bigger one than this. 30 by 30 centimeters. I was thinking maybe I ordered a little bit bigger than that. I thought I ordered 30 by 40. Gee, she's a bit rolled up, isn't it? Try and flatten it out. Well, this one will be a good snack size. Oh, snack size, as they say, is a small diamond painting, and do it quick and easy and fast one to do. This will be really good because most of mine are all big. And, oh, pretty. Not pretty. Pretty blue. Look how deep and dark and bright that is. Wow. Lots of blues. Wow. And pinks. The lavender, that's pretty. That's pretty too. That's like a light taupey colour. Squares. And we got an inventory sheet. That's the diamond painting. Doesn't it look cool? The wolf is like see-through. Isn't it awesome? The wolf looks like he's psychic. Okay, I can't wait to open this one up. Okay, and we got a square toolkit. So we got a boat, and we got tweezers. Oh, we got pointy tweezers, bent end on it, and we got multi-placer. Yay! I think it's a multi-placer. Yep, multi-placer. It's not a straightener. Multi-placer, looks like a 9 multi-placer. Awesome. And we got wax, a long piece of wax. I don't mind using the pink wax. It's pretty good. Okay. Now I'm going to pause the video to open it up because it's a bit hard to try and do it one-handed. As I was trying to open it up, there's a few little loose drills in here. No. Yeah. There's one there. So I'm going to be careful when I open this up. Yeah. I just took the drills out. They're pretty. And there's some drills in the bag. Lots of little drills. I've kept them all in there. That's alright. Hopefully we'll have plenty of drills. So there we got 3844. Isn't it pretty? You got 1, 2, 3. Torpy ones, 451. Yeah. 453. They seem to be grouping the bags together with the same number. Yeah. 543. 1, 3, 3880. Browns. 613. Lots of individual ones. 524. And we got some baggies. Heaps of baggies. That's good. You can never have enough baggies. Pretty colour. Bit hard to see with the dark, but you can see the black imprint's good. $7.50. Oh, 2 $7.50. No, 3 $7.50. There you go. Alright. Oh, they're pretty colours. Look at them. Pretty colours. Pretty colours. What's that number? 3842. That's a nice deep bright blue. Love it. I'm a blues person. Oh, how pretty. 3 $7.60. There we got 3 packets. I love blues. Oh. 3 $7.65. 2. Torpy. They're a little bit crush. That's alright, just uncrush them. 762. The drills seem to be in good condition. Oh, that's like a cornflower blue. 794. Yep. 801. Brown. More blues. Oh. More blues. How much is that one? 825. $826, very close to $825. It's very similar to the $820 in Diamond Art Club. Pretty. Like a deep green. 924. 932. Pretty. Ooh, there's lots of these ones. What's this one? Looks like black. There's lots of these ones. Looks like black. We got lots of them. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packets of it. Looks like nearly black. 939. Oh, another drill. Keep that on there. Oh. Don't really need them. The missing ones. 3750. Pretty blue. Oh, look at this colour. Oh. 820. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh. What I use in Moonglow for the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packets. Wow. Longest train ever. Right. Okay, what's this one? 827. Oh, that's a pretty blue. I like blue cornflower. I'm going to enjoy doing this one. Even though it's square, I don't mind. My first diamond painting was square, and I like the sound of the popping noise it makes when you put the squares in. 646, and I think the square drills look better. And they look more effective, and they look better once completed. Whoops. Whoops, a drill just fell out of the bag. I think that hole's open. That's alright, we got most of the drills in there. Just hold that one up. So, probably a good thing I've opened them up. Alright. Oh, what's that one? 3737. I just had to hold it up on a different angle out of the glare so I can see the number. On there. More black. What kind of number is that? 310. We have 310. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 414. So we got 4 lots of 310 and 10 lots of the other 939. So it's going to have some black in it. It'll go nicely with the other blues. It's a deep and mysterious diamond painting. 169. Pretty. Okay. And we have an inventory sheet, which I love. Okay. And we got a picture. I can cut out the picture and stick it in my diamond painting logbook. Even though it's in Korean, it doesn't really matter. Because we have the diamond drill codes and the symbols. So we don't really need to read Korean. So as long as we got the numbers and the symbols, we're all good. good to rock and roll. Happy days. Okay. Now I'll show you the diamond painting. Let's have a look. Okay, move all these drills off. Move them to the side. They're so pretty. The colours are beautiful. Okay. Now I got all these little drills. I'm going to put them. Use my finger. And pick them up. Put them in the bag. That one. That one. Okay. Okay. It's a bit crinkled and crushed a bit from being in the way that it was transported. So I'll just check it out. It may not be too bad. Okay. I have just rolled it back up the other way, and I've rolled it up really tightly, and then I've run my hands along it around the roll and trying to tightly firm it, and then I put it back down and I just took the flap off, and it is crushed a little bit. It's pretty good. The symbols on it are pretty clear. And they're pretty. And it's got some nice purples and the deep blue, and that's probably the wolf's face there in here. And we have the symbol chart up here. The codes and the symbols. And we have a thumbprint up here. So that's what it's supposed to be. And it's a little bit crinkly. It's sticky. And some poor glue. So it's got a few crinkles in it. It may not be too bad if we just put the drills over the top of it. And then what you can also do is get your tweezers. Get your tweezers and you cut along the line. See, that's even just doing it there. You just, oh, that's flattening out there. And it's just a bit bubbly. There you go. It just put your tweezers in it. Like that. It flattens it down and gets a I think it's just air bubbles. I think it'll be alright. So that's what I wanted to show you today. It's a bit hard with the glare. See if you can see. Well, that's better. That's better. The symbols on it are really good. Look. A lot of confetti in there. And a pretty deep blue turquoise colours in there. And the purple. And the purple. It won't be too bad seeing it's a small size. We'll see. We'll see how it comes up. So that is Wolf's Nature. It's a square drill and I paid $34.95 for it, and it was sent to me by a China Post carrier. And it was from 5D Diamond Painting on AliExpress. Oh, you can also see too, I just noticed, you can see the wolf up here and its reflection in the water. It's upside down. And it's got the eyes, see the eyes and the nose? And it's wolf's reflection in the water. Yeah, so that's pretty cool, isn't it? Very interesting. Wonder how it will turn out once it's all completed. Stay posted. I'll give you an update on it. That's all for now on the Wolf's Nature. There's all the drills. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye for now. Take care. Keep smiling.